Here I have LYF Water done, and let me show you how to accomplish here force restart on the following device. So let me show you how to remove the back cover and the battery on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the back cover by using the following cavity. Let's do it step by step. Now you have access to your battery, so let's remove the battery by using the following cavity right here, and let's remove the battery for about 5 to 10 seconds, then put it back in exactly the same way. Let's close the back cover protection and simply switch on the device. The device is turning on, so let's wait a couple of seconds. That's it, now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.